Heyo, boss, and welcome back. We have a great video for you today. Chef is going to show us how to cook a New York strip right off the grill. Couple key ingredients, and we think you're going to really enjoy this. Chef's been meaning to cook some steaks for us. He apologizes, he's a little bit behind. He knows there's a lot of ways to cook steaks, and he's going to put some of those videos out there as well. This is also one of Chef's wife's favorite dishes that he makes for her, so he's doing this for her. And this coming weekend is, of course, Mother's Day. So there's Chef's wife and little Chef. Happy Mother's Day to you. And there's Chef's mother-in-law and Chef's wife. And there's Chef, his brother, and their mom. So happy Mother's Day to you and everybody. If your wife or your mom likes steak, definitely try this out. We think you're going to really enjoy this recipe. Without further ado, let's get cooking. So the first thing Chef said to do is pick up some steaks right there from your butcher. Nice and fresh. Of course, if you have frozen or have to use frozen, just make sure the steaks are fully thawed. You never want to put a frozen steak on the grill. It won't cook evenly. Okay, Chef's going to show us those steaks. Nice marbling, and they look beautiful. So very good cuts. The first thing Chef's going to do is just take a paper towel to the steaks. Both sides, just pat them a little bit. And then all he's going to do is add some salt. That's really all you need. Salt's going to help extract some of the moisture, and you don't have to over-season your steaks, whatever steak you're cooking. Let the steaks sit out between 15 to 30 minutes. Let them warm up as well as let that salt do its thing. Also, next up, this is another tip Chef has. Before he puts them on the grill, Chef likes to put a little bit of oil on each side of the steak. He's using canola oil because it has a higher heat tolerance. So a little bit each side, this will help with some of the sticking. And now's the time when they're ready to make sure that grill is nice and clean and very hot. So Chef's going to go ahead and take his steak. He's going to put it on at an angle, and he's going to put the lid down. 2 minutes for medium rare, 4 minutes per turn for about, so this is Chef's wife, so it's been about 3 to 4 minutes. He's going to just turn it once. The key is not to keep touching the steak. So one turn, put it back down, 2 to 4 minutes. Now go ahead, flip it. Put the top back down. Again, between 2 and 4 minutes, depending on how well you cooked it, how long it cooked. And then, of course, another 2 or so minutes. And now that's Chef's steak in the back. Turn it one more time to get those nice cross grill marks. And one more sitting. Again, 2 to 4 minutes, and now take it off. So that's all Chef did. So Chef wants to show you the importance of burping the grill. When it's cooking for a while, you want to actually crack the grill. Let the smoke come out, and then open it. This is going to allow you not to get all that smoke in your face. So another little tip. So the steaks are just going to rest about 5 to 10 minutes. Let those juices really sit into the meat. And the other reason why Chef did not really over-season it or put any seasoning afterwards is, watch it there, Chef, is because he has this kind of cool butter, blue cheese, garlic mix. And he's going to share with us, of course. So that's why he kind of left them very unseasoned. He's going to put this on, and the heat from the steaks is going to melt that butter right in. And you can do this as well. So Chef now is going to go ahead and cut his steak. This is the one he cooked for him. It's about medium to rare. Okay, the next thing Chef said to do as you plate this up is go ahead and put some crunchy onions right on top. Those fried onions. Ooh, those look delicious. And then the plate they rested on, you'll have some juices. Just pour a little of those juices right down the steak. And there you have it. Now this is his wife's steak. A little more well done. Got those homemade mashed potatoes. We're dying for that video, Chef. But like I said, we kept it kind of simple. And we think you're going to really enjoy it. The steak was delicious. It was juicy. He's made this for the team before, and we really enjoy it. So a very simple New York strip right off the grill. Thanks, everyone, for joining us. Make sure you subscribe if you're new and check out some of our other videos. Don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it. Shout out to all you moms. We hope you rest up this weekend. Happy Mother's Day to everyone.